That's Sinipsip Elementary School of Barangay Galigay. Barangay Galigay was derived its name from the word Nagaligay, which represented the creeks that dissected the area in a parallel formation flowing into the Agno River. Galigay was one of the settlements comprising the barrio of Lutak. It became a barangay of the municipality of Bugyas when Lutak was annexed to Barangay Pakso of Kabayan. That's Barangay Galigay. With the Barangay Galigay is the Senior Citizens Association. Yaman Galigay for organizing this year's Albobo Festival.